We fixed our squeak on our AMG GTS, and let me tell you, I learned a lot. I'm gonna tell you right away what it was. It was the rear upper control arms. And let me tell you, they were not cheap. They were $2,000. Oh, they were about almost, let's see, they were like $500 a piece. And to do the job and everything, I didn't do it. And the reason why I didn't do it is because I got help, and there's nothing wrong with getting help. So the people at Alpine Auto House in Grand Junction helped me out, Jack and Jamie. We had to literally diagnose this issue and made sure we get it right, because there's a lot of, I wouldn't say misinformation, but misdiagnosis or diagnosing in the internet as far as squeaks go. Like, a lot of people in the Mercedes community said that it was a shock, a spring, or it could have been the sway bar bushings or end links. So what we did is we made sure that we looked at everything. I originally inspected the car, cleaned everything. I also took it over there and they inspected things. They looked at the torque, and they did see some minor issues with the bushings or upper control arms, but we wanted to make sure that that was the cause. So one of the things that really gave me a great indicator that something was going on back there, and it could have been like a bushing or something, is that when I'd washed the car, and especially if I focused in the back, after I drove, there was no squeak. And let me tell you, this wasn't a mild squeak. It was a lot, it was squeaking to the point that it was very annoying and frustrating. So what we did is we tried to actually figure out which bushing was being affected whenever you like lubricated it. And it took some time, but Jack at Alpine Auto House, he figured it out. He sprayed it and he's like, it's the upper control arms. So then I went home and I wanted to double check, because these are expensive and we don't want to get it wrong. I used a stethoscope and I had at least push on the rear end, and I put the stethoscope in the upper control arm and I could hear it. I could actually hear like almost the rubber and the bushing as it moved up and down. And so I took the car in, Jack and Jamie helped me out. They went ahead and got them replaced, and there's no noise. So I wanted to share this with you guys because there's a lot of things in the internet that say it's the coilovers and everything. Now, I want you guys to also know that Mercedes of these years, this is common. Like the control arms and stuff like that, they squeak. And if you look on the internet, there's like a black car that's making a squeak for the front end suspension. So if you got a squeak in a Mercedes, I definitely recommend to look at your control arms, because that could be the issue. And my car is a 2016, so if your car is around that range, it's probably the same thing. Well, I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. You guys take care.